Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. As usual, we're going to cover the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pairs. But firstly, let's jump over here to the economic calendar, have a bit of a look and see what's coming up for today. So yesterday we saw the core PPI news come out, which was actually greater than what was forecast by 0.3 and 0.2. Now we can make a note here and see actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Now we'll come back and we'll talk about that in a second. Now, core CPI news month on month and retail sales month on month and year on year also all coming out tonight at the start of the New York session. So we need to be aware of that. That will cause a fair bit of market volatility. And a lot of the people that I follow are forecasting it to be greater than last month. So that inflation numbers are not going to be coming down. So we need to keep an eye on that. Now, coming over to the DXY, we can see here at this 10 o'clock mark where the news came out. Here on this candle here, this 10:30 candle here, we can see there that the market obviously pushed up on the news of being greater, but then ultimately tanked down. Now, at the moment with the economic situation in America, rising CPI numbers is obviously not great for the situation that they are in at the moment, which obviously they then turned bearish and pushed down and has consistently consolidated down. Now, with further numbers expected to come out today with CPI, it could be safe to expect that we may see a further drop in the Dixie today. So again, this is all just on presumption based on a lot of analysts assuming what the numbers and stuff are going to come out at. So just please be aware when you are trading today, but we could see a further push down in the Dixie. Now, just looking at what sort of printing here on a 15-minute basis, we do have obviously a little bit of a like consolidating trend coming in here. So obviously we could see a short-term push up and then obviously coming lower from there, or we may just see sort of a continuation. Sorry, we may just see like a continuation moving down before obviously dropping around that time frame. Coming over to Euro. Now on the Euro, pretty much the same thing. We can see here that on that news, we did ultimately start pushing down, but then ultimately gained strength off that news. Now, obviously with, again, CPI numbers coming out today, we could assume that we are going to push higher. Anywhere that we could be targeting. Looking at the hour, obviously we are within this, what is, I think, a 4-hour imbalance here, even a daily imbalance we're in at the moment. So basically we could be looking at pushing towards the top of this imbalance range, taking the top of this imbalance range, or even pushing up higher into these high levels. Obviously looking, first point of call would be attacking that liquidity high through there. So basically looking for anywhere, if you can get in for a long, looking at pushing up there, but obviously do be mindful that we do have that news coming out at 10:30, which could be quite volatile. And GU, exactly the same thing. Yesterday we did see that drop there at that 10:30 mark, and then obviously started immediately pushing up. And again, with CPI numbers coming out today, expected to be stronger, we could obviously see that pushing back up again. So ultimately, a lot of it being based on news today, but could be looking to see a little bit of strength coming out of Euro and GBP against the Dixie today based on what news comes out. So just looking for any sort of an area that we could see a continuation, looking for a trading continuation, either off the 15-minute or the hour. Could be good at the moment, unless you want to sit out today and look at taking trades tomorrow after the bulk of the news has dropped. Anyway, guys, appreciate you jumping on again today as usual, and I'll see you again on tomorrow's Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.